Hello class, this screencast is to show us on how we're going to insert equations to get our mass values and our distance values. So you're going to put in mass 1, mass 2, where you're going to insert these values below. You're not going to create an equation, you're just inserting the values, and you're going to keep it as whole integer values. So mass 1 can be 2 billion kilograms, 3 billion, 4 billion, 5, 6, 7 billion kilograms. Mass 2 will be 8 billion, 9 billion, 10 billion, 11, 12, and 13 billion. Now we're not writing out all the zeros, we're just keeping it as whole integers. In this blue section, that's where we're going to write in this equation. So in order to transfer mass 1 in billions of kilograms to regular kilograms, you're going to write equals, and you're going to click on the cell. So this is cell D5. I'm going to take this and I'm going to multiply by doing star, and that's multiplying by 10 caret 9. So that's now taking everything over here in cell D5 and multiplying it by 10 raised to the power of 9. That's 10 billion. So now we're taking this 2 and we're now getting up to the billion. So it's going to be 2 billion kilograms. And if I want to do that for the cells below, I don't want to type it all. I want to just do it once and have the calculation do it for me. So I hover my cursor to get over this bottom right-hand corner, where I can then drag down to all the cells, and now I have mass 1 showing 2 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion, 5, 6, and 7 billion subsequently. I'm going to do the same thing for mass 2, where I'm going to type in equals, and I'm going to get to the cell where I typed in for mass 2. And so now mass 2 was in E5. And I'm going to do the same thing where I'm going to multiply. So I'm going to do star 10 caret 9. And then I hit my enter, and it gives me 8 billion. To get to all the cells, I'm going to hover my cursor over the bottom right-hand corner, and I drag it down. So now I have 8 billion, 9 billion, 10, 11, 12, and 13 billion kilograms. To get the distance now to go from kilometers to meters, it's a different conversion factor, but same process in doing this equation. So I'm going to get the distance from kilometers. That's going to be here where you input the integer values, F5, and I'm going to multiply by 1,000. Because in 2 kilometers, there's 2,000 meters. So I now want to get this to go to all the cells. I'm going to hover my cursor over this bottom right-hand corner and drag down to all the cells, giving me 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, and 7,000 meters.